All right, so here we go. Come on, Zaya. Come on. You need to figure it out this morning. Okay, so here's our app. All right, you guys should have all got it set up last week. Now it's time to hook all my outlets up. So what you're going to want to do here is God dang it, Zaya. Just, nope, going down on the couch. There we go. Holy cow, she is wild. All right, so what you guys need to do is hook up your text field as outlets. All right, your label as an outlet and your button as an action. Okay? If we take a look at our commission app, I want you guys to think about how they relate. All right? So in our commission app, well, let's take a look at this, our menu app. We have this 450, and then we're putting in how many we're ordering, right? So it might be 1, might be 0, might be 2, whatever. Okay? We need to multiply this, all right, for each one of these food items, okay? And then once we have that total, we need to add them up to get them into our label. Our commission app worked very similar, all right? We have our let base pay equal 500. Remember, we had this 500 right here. It's not, the computer doesn't know that this 500 exists. It's just a label for our users to see. All right, so here we define that 500, just like you have to do with that 450 for the Big Mac, all right, or whatever your prices are. You need to say let Big Mac price equal 450, all right? Then down here in our calculate button, you're gonna have a bunch of these, all right? Depending on how many food items you have, you're gonna say let Big Mac total equal Big Mac price times Big Mac text field, all right? Dot text, and then add this in there as well, all right? So then you're going to need to create another let to add all these up, all right? So let total amount, all right? My label or total amount label dot text then equals your total amount, all right? So use your commission app. I will do this often where I make, use a hack witch and kind of level it up a little bit, all right? There's not much more to the menu app than there is in that commission app. Now we're just doing one more step. We're adding up the total price or the total total pay. All right, now we're just adding up the total pay of each of these options and then putting it into our label. All right, so there's my little hint for you guys. Hopefully that recorded and you guys can revisit that if needed. But you guys should have your outlets and your let statements on above your viewed load, and then your one button, one action below your viewed load. All right. Let's see. Said that should have recorded. Stop recording.